guys, it's Sue back from IPSUM with another crafty tutorial using something that you've got around the house. So today we're going to be using the trusty egg carton, and these are brilliant for making lots of things, but today we're going to make this rather cute little mouse finger puppet. So I'm going to show you how to make a mouse today, but you can adapt it to, well, any animal with big ears and a pointy nose. Okay, so what you're going to first do is take your egg carton. So you'll need, sorry, I should have said that, egg carton, scissors, and then some felt pens, but you could also paint it as well. It just depends what you've got around the house. Also, glue is optional if you wanted to stick any accessories on, should we say, but just basically egg carton, scissors and pens is what you need. Okay, so first of all, you take your egg carton. So if this is being done for a small child, then the cutting out might want to be done for them, and then they can do the decorating. So put that to one side. So as you can see here, that forms the nose, and then those two circles forms the ears. When you're making or recycling or upcycling anything, it's really good to look at the shapes within the object to see how you can really use them to your advantage. Now, egg cartons are good because you can tear them as well. So this is where children might be able to get involved. So you can kind of tear around the shape of the ears like that. With patience. And then you can tear out the snotty bit. So you can actually get two out of this. So what would be really great is if you could think of other animals that you could make and maybe send them in. Okay, so you see here already it's starting to take shape. Okay, now you could leave it textured if you wanted to, or you could just neaten it up, trimming around the shapes as much as possible. And already you can see how it resembles the snout of the mouse. And then what I did was I just kind of cut down between the two. But if it's a little bit more kind of rustic, it doesn't matter. So already, without even having anything on it, we've got the basis of a mouse. So then what I just used was some marker pens. So any felt tip pens would be fine, or like I said, you could paint it on. So again, here you can almost see these kind of curves within the egg carton, which again, where the eyes will sit. What's really nice about this is that because it's quite a rough texture, if you do little lines on it, it almost gives the impression of fur. I'm just going to take the bigger end, and then what I did was I just did lots and lots of little lines going up. So leave some gaps in between your lines so that it gives that texture, an impression of fur. I'm going to come down the centre here and go around the top, and then I'm just going to go up to there, but leave those gaps, and those will be your eyes. Okay, so you can do that. You can carry on finishing around the ears. Those little bits in there form the pink part of the ears. So for the nose and the whiskers and the glasses, again, I just used the egg carton. So it's all used in the egg carton. So for the nose, I cut out the little round shape here, stuck that on. You could cut them out and they could be your eyes. So for the whiskers, all I did was using this part, cut along some shards there, and then for the glasses I used these parts here and cut a little border around them and stuck them on. So it's really looking at the object, thinking about what you could use. I mean, you could even make a little bed to keep him in. Okay, so if you want to make your own creation, maybe a fox or something like that, and send them in to #IPSUMSwindon, we'd love to see your creations. So join us next time where we'll be using the trusty cereal box, and if you're anything like my house, you'll get through lots of these, and we're going to be making some cool little sketch pads. See you next time. Bye.